So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a Deliveroo account in Italy, so you can start ordering delicious meals right to your door. So first, open the Deliveroo website or download the Deliveroo app from your App Store or Google Play. Then, tap Sign Up to begin creating your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and add your name and phone number. Make sure your location is set to Italy for local options. Next, you'll be asked to verify your phone number or email. Enter the code they sent to confirm your account. And that's it. You're now ready to browse local restaurants and start ordering with Deliveroo in Italy.